In this video, I'm going to walk you through the new Mixmax and Zapier integration. This will help you connect to other apps in your tech stack where Mixmax doesn't already have a native integration. Mixmax can be used as either a trigger or an action in Zapier. First, let's set it up as a trigger. There are several events you can choose from. First, let's take a look at the ones where recipients are exiting or moving through a sequence. So a new recipient could be added to a sequence, they could have finished all the stages, or just moved to the next stage of a sequence. The other triggers are related to how people are interacting with your sequences. Maybe they downloaded an attachment, clicked a link, they might have canceled or confirmed a meeting, opened your email, voted in your poll. The poll is a unique feature of Mixmax where you can quickly send a few questions to a recipient and they can answer with one click. It helps boost replies, and you can also automate actions that happen after it. Or if someone unsubscribes, you can update your other systems. So let's do an example where we choose all sequence stages have been sent to a recipient and we want to update it in our CRM, such as Microsoft Dynamics 365 or maybe Zoho. So our action event here is going to be update contact. Now let's take a look at an example where Mixmax is the action in Zapier. Again, we'll select it from the list. The options here are to add a recipient to a sequence, remove a recipient from all sequences or just a particular sequence, or you can unsubscribe them from all sequences as well. Let's choose Add Recipient to a Sequence. And as my trigger, I'm going to choose G2 Crowd. So let's say somebody has been checking out our category of software or maybe visiting our profile, and we think they're in market for a solution. We want to reach out to them with a multi-channel personalized sequence for Mixmax so that we can get in touch. These have just been a couple of examples, but there are hundreds of other apps you can connect to. Visit mixmax.com to start a free trial or request a demo.